The future of smartphones is almost here, and Apple is about to shake the entire tech world again with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. With the official launch window now confirmed and a wave of record-breaking upgrades leaking from reliable sources, this isn't just another annual update, it's a technological milestone. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, expected to drop in September 2025, will introduce innovations so bold, they're setting new standards for flagship devices. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. From an all-new design language, AI-powered internals, a borderless display, to the first-ever tetracell camera sensor, this iPhone is shaping up to be Apple's most powerful and futuristic device to date. Whether you're a loyal Apple user, an Android user curious about switching, or just a tech enthusiast, don't buy any new phone until you know everything about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This ultra-detailed script will cover the official launch date, radical new design changes, the A19 Pro chip and AI features, game-changing camera innovations, battery upgrades and charging speed, iOS 19 features exclusive to iPhone 17 Pro Max, pricing, availability, and reasons to upgrade or wait. Let's break down every leak, expert insight, and rumor surrounding Apple's most exciting iPhone ever. Before diving into the iPhone 17 Pro Max, let's quickly look back. Apple's design legacy evolved steadily, from the notched iPhone X to the dynamic island of the iPhone 14 Pro, and then to the titanium chassis in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Each generation has carried forward a theme: premium materials, cutting-edge silicon, and deep software integration. With the iPhone 16 Pro Max expected to be a mild refinement, Apple has been quietly preparing a bold move for the iPhone 17 series. Insiders suggest this will be the biggest leap since the iPhone X. Because it's not just a hardware update, it's a reimagination of what a smartphone can be in the age of AI and spatial computing. Based on Apple's consistent release cycle and leaks from reputable analysts like Mark Gurman and Ming-Chi Kuo, here's what we know. Announcement date: September 9th to 11th, 2025. Pre-orders begin Friday after the event, September 12th to 13th. In stores, September 19th to 20th, 2025. Apple has reportedly begun mass production of components as early as June, hinting that launch timelines are on track. Notably, this year's iPhone keynote could also introduce Apple Intelligence features exclusive to iPhone 17 Pro Max, giving even more weight to the event. According to leaked CAD renders and prototype images from Apple's Asian supply chain, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature a dramatic design evolution. The biggest shocker? Apple is preparing a truly edge-to-edge display, eliminating the black bezels entirely using under-display Face ID and a hidden front camera. This innovation has been in development since the iPhone 13, but is finally ready for prime time in 2025. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will retain the Grade 5 titanium frame from its predecessor, but with thinner edges, reduced weight, and improved ergonomics. Leaked schematics show the device could be 5 to 7% lighter, addressing one of the biggest user complaints about the 15 Pro Max. Apple is also working on nano-texture glass, similar to what's used on the Pro Display XDR. This would reduce glare, improve visibility in sunlight, and resist fingerprints more effectively. Apple's upcoming A19 Pro